who are you? So I am your virtual assistant. Okay. So I am asking the same question again. Let's see. I am your digital assistant. Okay. I am again clicking. I am Sam's assistant. Now, interestingly, from where he pulled this word Sam? How did he know my name? Actually, I have given him name as Takey Sam, right? Here you see, your name is Takey Sam. So he is considering, he's extracted this word only, S-A-M, and consider this is the man and Takey is not a man. So see, this is one of the intelligence he has shown. Now, let's go further. I am asking who are you, your name and age. Let's see if what he responds. Okay. My name is Takey Sam. Number one, he is a smart, but he is extra smart. He is saying he is 25 years old. Anywhere have you seen I have given him his age or something? No. I have not provided his age, date of birth, year of birth, anything. But still he is saying he is 25 years old. I don't know like from where he get this kind of information. But this time I have again clicked on generate text and he is saying I am Takey Sam. I am 26 years old. I am the owner of grocery shop in Pune, Maharashtra. Okay, this is very simple question. Let's go few steps beyond actually. Now I am asking which products you don't have in your grocery shop. I am not asking which products you have. I am saying which products you don't have. Let's see what it responds with. So I am saying, and he's responding very silly actually. And what happens sometimes, it is not that every time it will respond with sensible answers. Sometimes it responds like these answers also. I am again clicking on generate text. It will say the products which are not available in the grocery shops are fruits, vegetables, meat, fish and poultry. So this is interesting. Why? Because I have told him that we have wheat, we have grains, we have cereals and we have rice. That's it. And he has found out that in the grocery shop, apart from these products, these other products are also exist, and that's why it is saying. Okay. Now let's proceed to the other question which user can ask. Now user is asking which other products you don't have in your grocery shop. I think this will be the same kind of answers, but don't have any other products he is saying, because I have mentioned we don't have any other product, other items we don't have. Okay, so let's move on to other questions. Some 3 interesting questions are there. So I am asking any discount going on in your shop. So if you remember, I have said if any person purchases more than 2 kg any item, so we can give 10% on each item. Let's see if he considers. Yeah, so interestingly he has provided the rates of all, and if any product is purchased 2 kg or more, we can give 10%. Okay, but understand one thing, I have not mentioned discount word anywhere. Oh, sorry, I have used. Sorry, I'm my bad. So now it has said 2 kg or more, and I will put this question: how much I have to pay if I purchase 1.5 kg of wheat? Now wheat is 40 rupees kg. As per my understanding, it should say 60 rupees, because half kg 20 rupees and 1 kg 40 rupees. Let's see. Okay, so it has calculated, you see, it has calculated 1.5 kg of weight, because I have given 1 kg rate and they would have to pay 60 rupees. This is what he is saying. Okay, that means he has done the calculation also. How much I have to pay if I purchase 3 kg of weight with your 10% discount? So now user wants to purchase 3 kg of weight. Weight is 40 rupees kg, that means 120 rupees. But ideally, out of 120 rupees, 10% discount, that means 12 rupees should be deducted, and that amounts to 108. Let's see what it does. Yeah, no, so something wrong. So calculation is wrong here, I think, because he is saying 102 rupees. This calculation is wrong. Let me try again. So 3 kg of weight cost 120 rupees after the 10% discount. This is also wrong answer. Yeah, so this is the correct answer. Total amount payable for 3 kg of weight, 3 into 40, he has given the calculation, and after discount 108 rupees. Let me ask him how much rupees. I'm not sure if he is understanding or not. No, it is not understanding. It is saying discount would be 4 rupees. This is again wrong. But let's see. I wanted to show you the context, what it can do, what it cannot do. So this is what it is doing.